3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Who's ready? Let's go!
Looking for a shoes for tomorrow night. I like this, but she said it's old people stuff. I was looking at this for the heels because we're gonna be standing all night. But this is the same shoes with the small heel. I just gonna wear what I have. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. If you're not new, wagwan YouTube family, welcome back guys. Okay guys, so you know I've been shopping, trying to figure out what we're wearing for this Skyfall New Year's event. I got my dress a few days ago. I want to say it's last week or week before last, but this is the dress. I don't think I showed you guys. I just tried it on again today. This is the dress. You want something kind of sparkly, kind of, you know, New Year's vibe. So this is like the black sequins dress. The back is out, with the strap going like an X in the back, and then the neck like this. So it's cute. I think it's gonna be cute. Gonna be nice. So the Skyfall event is like a James Bond theme. James Bond as in the movie. So yeah, just grown, classy. That's the vibe. I think that's the dress code. So I rather pay to go party, and you know, instead of party with the youngsters and the free places where everybody's gonna be there, young people, and they might cause fight and just be extra and just be crazy and wild. Like, no, it's 2024. We're trying to arrive alive. So today I purchased the bag. Let me show you the shoes, because I didn't purchase the shoes. I'm wearing, just gonna use the shoes that I had before. So I figured a nice black strappy heels would be fine. And this is gonna be annoying because this hurts my feet, like my toes, because I have wide width and this is not wide width. I don't know why I always buy these shoes that's cute but not functional. But I'm gonna wear it. And what else I got today? Yeah, this is the purse that I got. It's like black undertone with silver rhinestone clutch. So cute. Open it like this. And then, of course, inside you have the strap. So I feel like it'll go cute with the dress. I love it. It was pretty pricey, especially for me, because I don't like buying stuff. I don't like spending a lot of money, and I wouldn't just buy this normally. I just step out my comfort zone and buy it. But I also got a necklace set to go with the outfit. This is it. Black and silver. Yeah, so even though the dress has a little strap going across like that, I was wondering if I still need to wear the necklace, but I had already purchased it. Then I'm like, oh, I forgot my strap go like this, but I think I'm still gonna wear the necklace. This is cute. This is just a fashion piece, so it's good to wear for like 2-3 wears, and then that's it. It's gonna change color, but yeah, that was cute. So the necklace set was $20 and the bag was $55. Like, don't even say nothing to me, because I don't want to talk about it. And the dress was also $55, I think, or 56. This is also expensive for me. If you know me, I'm cheap. So yeah, this event better be it, okay? Because I spent all this money, I better enjoy it. but I know I'm gonna be cute. The only thing is I wish I didn't have these braids in so I could wear a wig, but we're gonna do something with this. I think I'm gonna put it up into like a nice elegant bun and call it a day. But yeah, hair done, nails done. These nails last long. Like, that's not long. Is it long? Christmas was Monday. I put it on Sunday. So tomorrow is Sunday. So tomorrow is gonna make a week. These normally drop off 3 days in advance, 3 days later. So it still lasts long, okay? They're so cute. So tomorrow is the event, Sunday. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next clip. Don't leave this clip without subscribing, without liking. Like, please like the video. Comment down below. Let me know if you like the purse, if you like the dress, if you like the shoes, if you like the necklace set. Like, talk to me in the comment section below. So guys, I didn't realize that I was wearing this dress wrong all night. Look at the neckline. You could see that it's kind of raised up. That's because it's twist. I was rushing and I put it on wrong. Like, how old are you? Anyways, I didn't notice until I got home, but nevertheless I enjoyed the night.
Watch out, I'm baby girl, you look so.
What's wrong? Let me fix that. Just that. Baby, tonight, I let you go. Baby, tonight, we lose control.
Made you think I can really made. I had enough from you and I really made. Just tell me what to do and I get it made. Gucci and Prada. Let me show you that ready, right?
3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Y'all really ready to party now? 35. Let's up balance, stick in the party. One try to make heaven. Sing. Really? Louder.
My friend, you will never see the sun of this Lord. That is the communication within. We keep on coming to
I love to see. I love to see.
brothers and sisters looking out for one another. That's the way it should be, not contrary. Stop tearing down each other.
Hold on, man. Hold on now. Hold on. Let me take him back inside with his mask now. Take him back.
I have everything on my lap. Oh yeah, we can sit on the couch, babe.
Can I do it?
I'm good to go. I ain't heard this song since I was 18.
Can I redo it now?
Anything I don't mean. Back home from the New Year's party. Happy New Year's, everyone. Happy New Year. Hope you guys enjoy the new year. Hope you guys bring it in how you feel fit, and all the best for 2024. Just new opportunity, blessing, prosperity, more life, success. Okay, happy New Year's to all you guys. I love y'all. I feel good. The event was really good. It was a whole saga. We got stuck in the mud because it been raining for a while, and they were saying we need to like leave the car and like get someone to like bring a wrecker to pull it out. But we try to get it out. I had to take my shoes off and like help push the car. But we're here. 2024, we're here. Okay, guys? We're here. Determination. Yes. Happy New Year's again, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Makeup still on point. Like, oh, what?